Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video of a package Dior's sent to me, and I got it today. So I'm really curious what he sent to me, and this will be fun. And we have the box here. So before we unbox this, we will do that after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Here we have the package we are going to unbox today, and for that I use my utility knife because it was nearby. So now we have to be careful when we open this, and let's see what we can find. Oh man, that was well sealed, which I like. And let's see, after this last cut, nice and done. Put that knife away because I don't need it anymore. Protection. And another letter from Dior's. Cute one. Then we take away this paper. And we have actually humanitarian daily ration. Another MRE made in United States of America. Awesome. I got another one of these. He sent me from the first package he sent me. And I have another MRE, menu 14, creamy spinach fettuccine. That sounds really delicious, guys. Thank you, Dior's. I appreciate this. And thank you for sending me another MRE's to me. I hold that upside down. But anyway, guys, this is awesome to have. And now I have two more, and I will put them in my basement and store them there. And I will open one of them later, as I said when I did the first unboxing. But anyway, Dior's, you are awesome, brother. Thanks for sending me these. I appreciate it a lot. And guys, please subscribe to him and visit his channel. He has great content. He's a great guy. He do MRE reviews. He do a little bit of everything. So I will put his link in the description box so you can go and visit him and subscribe, like, share, and put a comment so I know you have been there. He's a great guy. He's a really nice guy. And he has a lot of great knowledge, especially when it comes to MREs, which I don't have, but I know a little bit about them, MREs. But it's awesome to have these. really nice. I appreciate it a lot, and thank you again, Diors. You are awesome. And guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. And this is the end of this video. Until the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I go live and upload new videos. Thank you again. ShadowScoutSwede out.